Hi, this is Ray. I'm here at the Bike Film Festival over here on the Lower East Side. Here with my GT Performer. It's a 1991. I did the custom stickers on it. Powder coated the frame on that sound like a Mountain Dew color, I call it. I got the Pitbull brakes in the back, ACS brakes in the front. Similar Power Series crank, Power Ground rims on it, the pegs. Pitbull brakes in the rear. Primo crank and Primo forks, AMG grips, Tech 77, fucking brake levers, old school GT neck. It's actually that's a 1992 four-piece GT bars because I like that style and I wanted to do it that way. And basically we here showing off these bikes. You can find me on Instagram. I run the account for BMX Classics. And also the Rhythm and Rebel on Instagram and Twitter, all that. You can check all the classic bikes there too. This is Ray. I'm in BMX repping my bike. Back to you, Billy.